Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. On this channel I do protective hairstyle for kids and I do a lot of beauty DIYs, so please consider hitting that subscribe button so we can be family. Okay, in today's video we are going to be making a home remedy for teeth whitening. So here I have 3 cloves of garlic. I'll go ahead and start grating the garlic with the smallest size of my grater. Okay, so this is what it looks like after grating it. So now we'll go ahead and add baking soda. So we'll add 1 or 1.5 tablespoons of baking soda. Once that is done, give it a good mix. Then after mixing it, we'll go ahead and add lemon juice. You go ahead and add lemon juice. Here I'll be using the commercial lemon juice. You can get the fresh one, you can get the real lemon juice and squeeze out the juice and add 1 tablespoon of it. Okay, if you don't have lemon juice, you can use apple cider vinegar. Okay, so give it a good mix. After mixing it, then we proceed to the next one, the next ingredient we are going to be adding to it, which is coconut oil. We'll go ahead and add half teaspoon of coconut oil. Also give it a good mix. Then after mixing it, the next one you need to add here is your toothpaste. I'm using Colgate toothpaste. You can use any toothpaste of your choice. Any toothpaste you're using at home is okay. So after adding it, give it a thorough mix for everything to combine properly. Okay, so after mixing it, this is what we have. It's still in a paste form. All right, it's still in a paste form. After mixing yours, if it's watery, you can go ahead and put a little portion of toothpaste just to thicken it. So now I will go ahead and take little amount with my toothbrush. Then I will show you guys how I use this to brush my teeth. Yes, this is it here. I will dip it in the water, then I'll start brushing my teeth. I do this twice a week. Yes, don't do it every day, please. Don't do it every day. It is good that you do it once in a week or twice in a week. Okay, sometimes I do it twice in a week, but at times once in a week. And remember, the paste you prepared, you can take the little portion you will be using, then cover the rest of it and put it in the fridge. Okay, just use it within a week. After a week, discard it and prep another one. Okay, so guys, this is how I use it to whiten my teeth. Please guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so. Okay, give this video a like, comment and share this video, please. I'm begging, share this video. So now I'm done brushing my teeth and this is what my teeth looks like. I've tried this home remedy for like 3 weeks and I've seen a great change. That's why I decided to share this with you guys. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so. Okay, I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.